Okay, so I'm coming in behind the flower, putting in that soft background, and I'm going to blend that real well. Okay, I'm about to run out of battery. And the charger I brought is not working. But basically, I'm just coming in and filling in this background with a lot of really interesting colors, interesting color combinations. That purple is in there with a deep, deep green. I'll continue with this background, and then I have to let it dry. So, or mostly dry, before I lay in the flower over the top of it. So this is why when I'm doing especially these little jewels, I call them, because they really require a lot more time and effort than what I charge for them. They really are a good value. I like to do something small that's easy to gift somebody. But that's why I start several of these. So I can then just move on to the next one as this one gets to a point where I have to let it dry. I'm going to use my finger to make these circles, these orbs of light. I have several that I'll need to build up. And this is kind of fun for me because in my abstract art, I do these circles a lot. So this is something I'm pretty used to doing. I should probably let this dry more, but I'm impatient. So there's this whole maze of blue and yellow. You've got reflected yellow light over here. You've got blue light over here. And when you think of this flower, you think, oh, that's a white flower with pink. But it's got so much going on in it. Blues and greens and yellows in the base. And that's what makes it so amazing. And as a painter, what I love is discovering all of that. When you just quickly look at something, you may not realize all that complexity is going on. But when you sit and paint it, you see all that, all the amazing things that's going on in there, and it gives you such a deep appreciation for it. Okay, so that's going to take some layers. I'm going to have to let some of this dry a little bit. But that's a start. So I'm going to touch it, and then I'm going to clean my brush, and then I'm going to drag the color down. So this is just going on the tips. So just pulling that color down. I'm going to try to do this without getting carried away. Hopefully I won't hate it. see. I've got to drag this. Sharpen that. I've rotated it so I can drag the leaf toward me, and that's just easier than trying to smoothly go horizontal. It is mostly done. And it is a little jewel.